Okay, I'm recording through some Bluetooth headphones, so hopefully this sounds reasonably well. I have a PCB with variable adjustment points. So the biggest problem I found was I need a PCB that mounts pressure vertically like that to a dactyl, because the ideally the keyboard you're mounting to the surface of the keyboard. So that's what all the holes around are for, so that you can bolt through. But the big thing is like this is, I believe, this axis, and that is this axis. But depending on where your thumb, what feels natural with the thumb, you're going to want to be able to like fine tune that. I don't think this is the best solution. I think actually just like a slot on like going, I don't know, 45 degrees or 30 degrees in all four poles would have been better. But this is what I did for now. It's nice because it comes with a breakout board, so you can literally put a diode. You got your pins all labeled out, so it should connect nicely to any QMK or hopefully ZMK board, and then you have that. What I'm going to swap to, this is, by the way, Hall effect, but I've heard not so great things about the PlayStation. This was just an AliExpress sensor. So I looked up who makes good Hall effect sensors. And GameSir makes pretty good third-party game controllers. And they use K-Silver. So I have, soon to be on the way, a PCB much like this, but for this pinout. The only problem with this is the way that it does its click isn't through two pins. It shorts 3.3 volts, or its power pin, to a pin. So the way this will work is it'll need its own dedicated row pin on a standard diode-based row column or column to roll keyboard design. But these will be nice too. Their height, I believe, actually is quite a bit slower. Yeah, you can even see that. Well, not having free hands makes this quite difficult. But yeah, there's quite a bit of height difference. These feel a lot better. I've played with a controller with these on them. They feel reasonably accurate. I'm not all that versed in the whole topic. But yeah, I will have joystick modules soon on at least my wired, because this has very clear-cut definitions. The ZMK side of things has side projects, it looks like, that can do this. I just have to figure out how that works, or find someone that's willing to walk me through it. Anywho, this is what I've got going on right at this moment. Have a great day. Bye.